What's up friends, welcome back to another ClickUp tutorial. Now in a previous video I showed you how to convert a task to a subtask. And in this video I'm going to show you vice versa, how to convert that subtask back to a parent task. Now I'm going to open up this create a video task that contains a subtask and I'm going to find that subtask. So here's create a video too. Now if I want to convert this task to a parent task, just simply look towards the right hand side, click the three dots. Here you'll find convert to, click on that, and here you'll find parent task. So if I click on that, it's going to take this task out of the current task and create it into a parent task. As you can see in the lower left, it says convert subtask to a task. Now if I close out of this, go back to home here, you will see that that task is now converted right back to a parent task. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you open up the task, that task looks like a brand new task or a full task or a full parent task that contains all the details in it. And that's all there is to it.